Hey guys, thanks again for stopping by to see our fashion hacks. In addition to last week's video, you will learn 5 more tips on how to organize your closets the right way. Make sure to watch until the end and subscribe if you haven't for more weekly videos on life hacks. Hack number 6. Folding jeans and pants the right way. First, fold your jeans or pants in half. Fold the inseam inwards along the leg line. Fold the top part as shown. Then fold one leg diagonally up the waistline. Fold the top part again. Fold the other leg twice. Fold up the remaining leg. And put the leftover part under the space. And voila! You just made a clean and compact bundle of jeans and pants for your closet. Next hack is for your favorite hoodie. First, fold one arm up to the shoulder line. Next, place the arm inwards. Do the same for the other side. Then fold and roll from the bottom. Pull out the hoodie strings. Use the hood to cover the bundle. Tie the strings, and you have this convenient hoodie bag to store in your closet. The next hack is an easy tip to fold your t-shirts, which takes less than 3 seconds. First, imagine you have 3 points along the shoulder line. Grab point A with your left hand and B with your right hand. Bring your right hand over and grab point C. Pull both hands up and lay down the shirt. Draw an imaginary line on the shoulder line and flip the shirt while holding the folded end. Make sure the unfolded end gets folded along the line. And there you go! If you practice a couple times, this shouldn't take more than 3 seconds. Next up, this hack applies to any jacket that you want to store in your closet. First, fold and flip the bottom. Fold one arm up to the shoulder line, and fold the sleeve too. Do the same for the other arm. Flip the jacket upside down, and roll the body into the bottom sleeve you made earlier. Flip again and cover the bundle with the bottom sleeve. Now you have a compact jacket bundle to keep in your closet. The last hack will be for one of those light cashmere sweaters or long sleeve shirts. First, fold 1/3 of the sweater or shirt behind. Fold in both arms, and fold both sides along the shoulder line. Flip over and fold in half. Lastly, use the layer to cover the whole bundle. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Have a beautiful day and stay safe. Hit the like button and be sure to subscribe as well. We really appreciate your support.